Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your planner for the app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, then you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here can you looking for planner for the app, then you click here on search. So then here add planner, uh, uh, planner for the app, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage here, then come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.